Friend, what is your motive in Thailand? Thailand, Vietnam. Anong motive ng damit mo? Anong hinahanap natin?
Elevated fashion.
Elevated fashion.
Basic rather.
We're here in Bershka. Bershka. So, hindi sila sale today. Mag-window shopping lang kami. That one. In the back. Parang bet yung design niya. Basta mo. Parang hindi ko bet. Parang gusto ko itong pink. Kasi pink tayo. I will get my pouch in Gcash.
Sa'yo lang ba yun?
Oo! G-Loan, G-Gives me.
Alright, see who's next po. Okay, sabay ko na po kayo. Nakapag-register na po lahat.
Come on, you can do it!
Ay, naka-headset na.
Kailangan natin manalo, Bebo.
Alright, listen up everybody. Alright, for holiday dash, familiar po sa mga loan products ng Gcash. Alright, so we have 3 loan products of Gcash, Ggives, Gloan, and Gcredit. So this is just a trivia question for holiday dash. 3 questions, 3 answers. Okay? So, select and drag lang po tayo ng mga icon natin, no? For Ggives. So, Ggives is the installment plan of Gcash. Okay? So, you can...
Nakuha yung pa. Pero kuha mo na ng size eh. Okay. Kuhanin mo. Beb. Once you get the size, you will get it. Okay? That's much okay too. Wow, naka-Pedro siya. Ha?
Maganda yung monitor.
Yeah, naka-download ka ng Go. So, Dad, you got yung shoes. So.
Wait lang ah.
Sad got new shoes.